Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is Sahithi of Grade 9A. Hope you all are doing really great, and even I'm also doing super great. So today we are going with another grammar video, like not grammar video, educational video. In that we are going to do some English grammar which is completely relatable to tenses. So what are these tenses that everything we are going to talk about? So many members once if they listen this heading, tenses, like they get shocked. What tenses? Oh, it is so hard. So it's not like that. Tenses is so easy to understand. Tenses is one of the most easiest grammar topic, but even I used to feel it hard. But I got to know this tenses is easy when I understood the concept. So whenever you have to learn something, understand the concept. That's what my mom says. So I follow that. So when I followed that understanding the concept, then I understood the total tenses. So that video only I am also going to share today. So today I have completed tenses and today itself I am going to share this tenses with you all. As I said, एक दिन में अगर मैंने एक टॉपिक कंप्लीट कर दी तो उसको मैं दूसरे लोगों के साथ शेयर करके ही रहूंगी. Don't worry, I'm going to upload a traveling video also very soon. That will be upload like within a few days. Don't worry, because now at present my exams are going out, so I was unable to take capture any log. So this concept is also there for my exam, so I'm preparing for this and I'm also preparing the video. So today we will be talking about tenses, so let's get started with our today's video. So actually, what are tenses now at present? Anyone have any idea? Then just write it down in the chat box, because it is a live stream now, so you can write it. So what do you all think about tenses? Okay, so tenses are those rules which says us about what how much work has been done and what work has been done and how much time it has taken. तो इधर मैंने हिंदी में भी लिखी, कुछ लोग हिंदी में देखते हैं, कुछ लोग इंग्लिश में देखते हैं. So without any confusion, I have written it in both the languages. So first of all, tenses क्या होते हैं उसके बारे में आज हम लोग बात. टेंसेस वे रूल्स होते हैं जिसमें जो हमें बताते हैं कि कोई भी काम कौन से समय में हुआ और कितना हुआ. तो वो रूल्स होते हैं जो हम लोगों को बताते हैं. They say us that what work has been done, how much time it has taken, and what has it been done. कोई भी काम कौन से समय में हुआ, what work has been done and at which time that work has been done and how much it has been done. Okay, so this you remember what are tenses, this may be asked. So you have to this definition, I'm not saying that use this definition only, but according to me I feel that this definition is easy. And next, moving on to the tenses can be categorized into two forms. One is work and one is time. First of all, when I talk about work it is categorized into four forms, that is continuous, perfect, indefinite and perfect continuous. तो टाइम में पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर, हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, पास्ट को भूतकाल, प्रेजेंट में वर्तमान काल, फ्यूचर को भविष्य काल. So like that, work and time is totally classified under the tenses. Okay, work, continuous, perfect, indefinite, then perfect continuous, time. So along with it, so past continuous, past perfect, past indefinite, past perfect continuous, perfect also, perfect continuous, sorry, present continuous, present perfect, present indefinite, present perfect continuous. So this indefinite is not a new word. Actually, we used to say no present simple tense. So other word for simple tense is indefinite. So we can use simple or other words also, simple or indefinite. We can use these two words. Now, tenses की एक mind map देख लेते. So let's take a look at mind map of tenses. So tenses mostly it is divided into time and work. Ticket is mostly divided into time and work. So presently, time in the sense present tense, past tense, future tense, and work it is accurately divided into what? Work is divided into indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So present होता है, past होता है, future होता है, जिसमें work is being divided. So present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. And then future same, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. This thing if we remember, it is going to be clear. Okay, just a second, I'll just clear this. Yes. Now, talking about the main thing, the helping verbs. Okay, we'll talk about the helping verbs now. So what are these helping verbs first of all? So see, there are helping verbs for present tense, past tense, and future tense. So those are these helping verbs are those which are being added in between sentences to make the sentence correctly in a form. The action what they are doing to present action what they are doing. These helping verbs are used. So present tense helping verbs are do or does, is or am or are, has or have. Okay, so these are the helping verbs for present tense. Okay, do or does we use it for uh, present indefinite tense. Is, am or are we use it for present continuous. Has or have we use it for present perfect continuous. Same for past tense also, but there is a past tense. So here behalf of do or does we are using did. So past tense helping verbs are did, was or were, and had. Did हम लोग कब use करते हैं? Did is used in the past tense only. Did is used for the past indefinite tense. Was or were is used for past continuous tense. And sorry, yeah, past and had is being used for past perfect continuous. And in future tense, the helping verbs are only these, that is will or shall have. Okay, so these are the helping verbs for future tense. Got it? So it is clear for us now that helping verbs present tense के क्या होते हैं, past tense के क्या होते हैं, future tense के क्या होते हैं और हम लोग कब use करते हैं. So example is given over here to understand the concept more clearly. She does not understand English. So does is the helping verb which is a present tense, right? As we talked, does is the present tense ka helping verb, right? So does is the helping verb for present tense. Take does it the so helping verbs to do or does is the helping verb for present tense. So she does not understand. So this comes under a present tense. Okay, got it. So helping verb does is there. So it is used in a present indefinite tense. In a present indefinite tense, it is a form of negative. Okay, it is clear. So today we are only going to complete the present tense only. Past and future tense, I'm going to make a separate video. This is an introductory video and it's also about the present tense. Okay, it is a live stream. So whoever are watching this video now, just note it down everything. If you note down or if you note or note does not note down also, no worries because I'm going to share the PDF of this notes in the description given below. You just go and search for that PDF. You're going to get unlimited PDF whenever I upload a video in my channel because even I make notes for understanding the concept. So that was all I'll be sharing with you all. So first of all, now verb forms. Verb forms हम लोगों ने देखा कि indefinite, continuous, perfect होते हैं. Just a second. Okay, just yeah. So here verb forms, as we thought that, as we already know that there are indefinite, continuous, perfect along with the work divided. So first of all, indefinite work first for this you need to use first form of verb. We are talking about verb forms, and for indefinite we need to use first form of verb. And the second continuous we need to use first form of verb. Then you need to also add ing. Here for watching, for teaching also. Now first of all, watch plus ing. So watch is a verb, first form of verb plus ing is being added. So watch is a form of verb plus ing is being added. So it is going to become what? It is going to become a continuous. Okay, just a second. So here, verb forms for continuous, we need to use first form of verb, and then it also has ing, as I said here, watch plus ing. Okay, watch plus ing. Not perfect. For perfect, what we need to use? We need to use third form of verb. Okay, we need to use third form of verb. Okay, so this is the word forms. Verb forms हम लोग किधर कौन से verb form we need to use? For indefinite, we need to use first form of verb. For continuous, we need to use first form of verb plus ing. And for perfect, we need to use third form of verb. Okay, so this was all about the verb forms. Okay, so now going on to the next topic, it is the new topic. It's not a new topic, it's like old topic. We were learning tenses from 6th class, and now we are going to enter to the main topic now. Okay, so let's enter into the main topic. Yeah, so excited, right? तो देखो, ये सब नोट्स मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में भेज रही हूँ. कोई भी डाउट ना मुझे कमेंट्स में बता दो। ओके, सो यह सभी नोट्स मैं आपको भेज रही हूँ। Okay, so now let's only talk about the present tense. Okay, in present tense we are having indefinite tense, perfect tense, continuous tense. Okay, so that everything we are going to clear, and the types also we are going to clear. First of all, present tense. तो present tense में पहला आता है indefinite tense, that is nothing but present simple tense. तो यह present simple tense कब यूज होता है? It is used and mostly to talk about the schedule or routine. This present indefinite tense is used. What are the helping verbs of this present indefinite tense? Do or does. As we discussed, for present indefinite simple के लिए हम लोग use करते हैं ये helping verbs do or does. Continuous के लिए we use is or am or are, and for the perfect tense we use has or have. Now we are talking about simple tense and present tense, so we are using do or does. Got it? Yes. So in present tense also there are three forms: affirmative, negative, interrogative. Okay, so that also we will see. Now talking about the types of present indefinite tense. For each and everything there would be affirmative, negative, interrogative, double interrogative. Now what is this affirmative? That we will see. Oh, the font size having this line here. Yeah. So what is affirmative? We will talk now. Affirmative in the sense positiveness. Yes, I can do it. That is positive thinking is called as affirmative. Now what is the formula for this? Subject plus main form of verb plus s or es plus object. And let me say one more thing: in this present indefinite tense and even in the past indefinite tense, only in the affirmative form there would be no helping verbs used. This is an exception. Remember this: in each and every website you ask, in Google also you ask, in every website you search. If you want, you can also go there and you can search in Google also, that it will always say that in present indefinite tense and past indefinite tense in the form of affirmative, there is no helping verb present. That's the case, that's exception. Now, so this is the formula for present indefinite tense affirmative. Subject plus main form of verb plus s or es plus object. ठीक है, पहला वाला है सब्जेक्ट, सेकंड वाला है मेन वर्ब, थर्ड वाला है एस और एस, फोर्थ वाला है ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड वन मोर थिंग, एस और एस तभी ऐड होता है जबकि हम लोग थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में बातचीत कर रहे हैं. If you are not talking about the third person, then there should be no SES present. देखो मैं बताती हूँ एग्जाम्पल. देखो एग्जाम्पल, कुणाल मेरे साथ रहता है. कुणाल लिव्स विथ मी. लेट मी राइट ओवर. कुणाल लिव्स, इधर एस आर हुई है, बट क्यों? देखो मैं बताती हूँ. Kunal lives with me in this. If you talk about this Kunal lives with me, we are talking about a person. थर्ड पर्सन इधर मैंने हिंदी में भी लिखा जिसके बारे में बातचीत हो रही है. हम लोगों को वो व्यक्ति कौन है, कहाँ है, कोई भी पता नहीं, बल्कि दो व्यक्ति के बीच में अगर एक व्यक्ति की टॉपिक आ गई है ना, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं थर्ड पर्सन. जिसके बारे में दो व्यक्ति बातचीत कर रहे हैं उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. कुणाल क्या हो गया? हमारे थर्ड पर्सन. अगर हम लोग हमारी खुद की बात कर रहे हो तो वो हम लोग हो जाएंगे फर्स्ट पर्सन, और हम लोग हमारे साथ में बैठे वाले पर्सन के बारे में बात करें तो सेकंड पर्सन हो जाएगा. पर वो उधर वो उधर नहीं है. ही इज नॉट प्रेजेंट देयर एंड यू टॉकिंग अबाउट हिम, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ थर्ड पर्सन. Okay, so Kunal lives with me. The Kunal is the subject and main verb live plus we have added s over here, so lives with me is the object. Okay, but if you see over here, if you take a look at this point, yeah, so if you take a look at this point, I write on whiteboard here, I is the subject, right is the main verb on whiteboard. तो इधर s और s add ही नहीं हुई. क्यों? Because there's no third person. We are talking about the first person. I write on whiteboard. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं whiteboard में लिखता. That's it. So he's first person. So for first person, there would be no s or es used. Only for the third person, s or es would be used. Now, example. Next example, if you see, you know him or her. You know him or her में you क्या हो गई? You is the second person you're talking about. You know him or her. That is, the person is beside you only. The person is beside you only, and you both are talking with each other only about this person. You're not talking about any other person. So you know him or her. So here you know him or her. Here there is no third person being talked about. So there would be no es or s because there is no third person. ठीक है. और एक और चीज आपको याद रखनी होगी, थर्ड पर्सन पॉइंट टू रिमेम्बर, थर्ड पर्सन है या नहीं बल्कि सब्जेक्ट इज, हाँ, sorry for the disturbance. So point to remember, subject third person है या नहीं, सब्जेक्ट थर्ड पर्सन है या नहीं, बल्कि एक चीज रिमेम्बर करो, सब्जेक्ट अगर थर्ड पर्सन की बात कर रहे हो तो देन ओनली इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ, then only the S or ES is going to be added. So we were talking about indefinite tense, so we have used main form of verb. Now this is for affirmative, affirmative case. अभी negative case अभी देख लेते हैं. Negative case. So this is negative case. Present indefinite tense का negative. Now, so negative case in the sense formula would be subject plus do or does plus not plus main form of verb plus object. If you see over here, do or does is the helping verb. Here do or does is being added because it's not affirmative, it is negative. मैंने बोला कि past indefinite tense और present indefinite tense के affirmative form में helping verbs नहीं होते, बल्कि negative, interrogative, double interrogative में सभी में helping verbs. तो negative tense form में subject plus do or does plus not plus main form of verb plus object, इधर not इसलिए ऐड हो रही है क्योंकि negative यानी कि नहीं है ना, नहीं, negativity, I want to, sorry, subject plus do or does plus not plus main form of verb plus object. Here helping verb is used because it's not a form of affirmative. Example, I do not tell a lie. Here there would be an exception for this. It would be a singular form of verb only, but it is actually taken as plural form. It is singular only, but it is taken as plural form. So we have to take plural form of it. I do not tell a lie. Do is the plural and does is the singular. Do is the plural and does is the singular. Okay, so here I do not tell a lie. It should be considered as plural exception. So it would be taken as what? It would be taken as, just a second. Yeah. Actually, my cursor is not working now. I do not tell a lie. So here I is what? I is the main form of verb, right? So I actually, it is a subject, and in this I is should be taken as plural. So do will be also plural only. Actually, I have written wrong over here. It's not singular, but it is plural. I भी plural ही है. Okay, इधर subject है तो I, but do is plural. Okay, don't get confused. I do not tell a lie. Okay, so subject is I. Do or does is being added. Not is the negativity. Tell is the first form of the main form of verb, first form of verb, object lie. Next example, you see, you do not take medicine. For you also there is one more thing. For you need to use plural form of verb. Okay, use plural subject. So for that also you need to use plural form. You do not take medicine. So in this, you is the subject, do is the plural form of verb, not is the negativity. Take medicine, take is the first form of verb, plus medicine is the object. Next, she does not try. She is the subject, and does is the singular form of verb because she is the subject is singular, so the verb is also going to be singular. She does not say a lie. She does not try. So not is the negativity, try is the object. She does not try. Got it? So these are the examples for the negative. Only one thing you need to remember here: subject plus do or does plus not is new here. Okay, but and S or ES also it should be added. For if it is added, then it is going to become affirmative. Only difference is that do or does should be not there, not should be not there. Then it is going to become a affirmative sentence. Okay, and one more thing for this affirmative, then the main verb helping verbs are not used. Subject plus main form of verb plus SES plus object. Here you see subject plus do or does plus not as main form of verb plus object. Here मेन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के बाद एस और एस लगाने पर वो हो जाएगा तो, ठीक है। नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट, इंटरोगेटिव एंड डबल इंटरोगेटिव के बाद हम लोग जाते हैं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के तहत। पहले प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस के बारे में बातचीत करते हैं, उससे पहले थोड़ा मस्ती हो जाए। So, how many of your physical classes have started, are about to start? Because from September 1st, they are saying that physical classes are going to start. So, how many of you are interested and how many of you are not interested? Please just write it down in the comments below. Whoever is watching, I know that only 5 or 6 people may watch, but whoever is watching, just write it down in the comments. Okay. Not interested because of physical classes, because I will be not having time to make this educational videos at all. And in this pandemic time, why यार physical classes क्यों? ये normally online classes से लगा देना यार, पहले cases को तो पूरा reduce तो हो जाने दो पहले. What the hell? I hate this physical classes, you know. Okay, now we will talk about present indefinite tense, and don't worry. Yes, so many are asking this PDF. I will be adding this link of the PDF in the description. Okay. Yeah. Now, present indefinite tense. We will talk about present indefinite tense now. So, in this present indefinite tense, interrogative में one thing you need to remember. Helping verb is going to add the first. Interrogative sentence के starting होती है helping verb से ही होगा. देखो, इंटरोगेटिव में हम लोग आंसर देते हैं यस और नो, बल्कि डबल इंटरोगेटिव में हम लोगों को डिटेल्ड में आंसर देनी होगी. इसको भी देखते हैं, पहले इंटरोगेटिव को देखते हैं. इंटरोगेटिव डू और डज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस मेन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. For other things, you need to, in the negativity you did what, subject plus do or does. Okay, for negativity I'm saying, for the negative one what did you do, subject plus do or does plus not plus main form of verb plus object, right? But here there is only one exceptional case. Not should be not there because it's a negative sentence, and helping verb should be transferred to the first of all, first of the subject. Okay, so do or does plus subject plus main form of verb plus object. As I said, for either is an exception. I is a plural form of verb, so there should be a plural form. Now, example number one, do you play? Do is the helping verb, so do you play. You is the plural form of verb, plural subject. So do is also going to be a plural verb. Do you live there? Do is the helping verb, you is the subject, live is the main form of verb, there is the object. Here, do is the plural form of helping verb, you is the plural form of subject. As it is subject is plural, so the verb is going to be plural only. So, plural, yeah. Does he teach you? Does he teach you? Here, does this what the singular form, the helping verb which is in singular form, and he is the subject. Teach, you in essence, teach is the main form of verb, you is the object. Here he is a singular subject, so helping verb is also going to be a singular form, does. Remember, many members can get confused. Even I got confused at the first, how can we does be singular? But according to English grammar rules, does is the singular form of verb, but do is the plural form of verb. But while spelling it would be like do is the singular form of verb, does is the plural form of verb. But I don't want to confuse you all, so I'm just saying, that does is the singular form of verb, do is the plural form of verb. So many exceptional cases are there for like. Okay, interrogative is clear. Remember only one thing for interrogative sentence, that is an interrogative sentence ki starting helping verb se hi hogi. Only one thing, you need to substitute helping verb to the front. Helping verb plus subject plus main form of verb plus object. हो गया, काम करना. हाँ. So now what is this double interrogative? डबल इंट्रोगेटिव हम लोगों को WH फैमिली की इंट्रोडक्शन करनी होगी. अभी इस फैमिली की इंट्रोडक्शन मुझे करनी होगी अभी. अरे भाई साहब क्या बात हो रही है, WH फैमिली क्या है वो सब कुछ बताओ ना पहले. तो WH फैमिली में हम लोग ऐड करते हैं व्हाट, व्हेन, व्हाई, वेयर, व्हिच, whom. दिस इज द WH फैमिली. व्हाट, व्हेन, व्हाई, वेयर, व्हिच, whom. This is the WH. Got it? So in WH family, you're going to give detailed answer. बल्कि interrogative sentence में देखो, do you play? Yes. Do you live there? No. Does he teach you? Yes. तो इधर yes, no and yes में जवाब हो रही है. Now suppose if you say, why you play? Where do you live? Whom does he teach? इसमें देखो हम लोग क्वेश्चन पूछने में हम लोगों को यस और नो आंसर नहीं मिलेंगे, हम लोगों को डिटेल्ड में आंसर देनी है. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट द WH फैमिली सेज. WH फैमिली में डिटेल्ड आंसर में देने वाले कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. WH फैमिली में जो कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं वो बाय नहीं होगा. व्हाट, व्हेन, बाय, वेयर, हु, व्हाई, वेयर, whom, ये सब कुछ. तो WH फैमिली में सब लोग डिटेल में आंसर देते हैं, रिमेम्बर करो. और इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले होते हैं, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब से पहले हम लोग WH फैमिली इंसर्ट कर देंगे. And one more thing, WH family plus borders plus subject plus main form of verb plus object, that's the only difference. एग्जाम्पल्स देखो, मैंने एक छोटे से डिब्बे में एग्जाम्पल्स आपका बताई है. Why did you cry? Why हो गई हमारी WH फैमिली, do हो गई हमारी हेल्पिंग वर्ब, you हो गई हमारी सब्जेक्ट एंड cry हो गई हमारी फर्स्ट फॉर्म. Why is the WH family? Do is the verb, right? So do is what? Do is the plural form of verb. So you is also, so you is the plural form of verb. So we have used the helping verb also plural. What does it say? What is the WH family? Does is the singular form of helping verb. He is the singular form of subject. See, where do we go? Where is the WH family? Do is the plural form of verb. We is the plural form of subject. Go is like go is first form of subject. ओके, सो क्लियर. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस में हम लोगों को क्या क्या क्लियर हो गए? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस के फॉर्म्स क्लियर हो गए, एफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव, इंटरोगेटिव एंड डबल इंटरोगेटिव. Okay, the next part is present continuous tense. तो present continuous tense में भी forms देखेंगे, present perfect tense में भी forms देखेंगे, and the last present perfect continuous में भी forms देकर हम लोग जाते हैं past tense में next वीडियो में. पक्का मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगी, पक्का, ये तो पक्का क्लियर है. एंड दोहे का वीडियो मैंने पहला पार्ट ही बनाया है, एंड टुमारो विल बी द रिलीज ऑफ द दोहे पार्ट 2, जिसमें मैंने थोड़े थोड़े ही बनाए हैं, एंड दैट आल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू रिलीज इट वेरी वेरी सून विद इन 2-3 डेज. जस्ट वेट फॉर इट. नाउ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस का तो हो गया, नेगेटिव, इंटरोगेटिव, डबल इंटरोगेटिव. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. इंडेफिनाइट टेंस को तो बहुत हो गया, ठीक है. तो अभी हम लोग बातचीत करते हैं प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस की. तो प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस में हम लोगों को है हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स इज, एम और आर. हम लोगों ने बात की ना प्रेजेंट टेंस में डू, आर, डज, इज, एम और आर और हैज और हैव होएगी. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे कंटीन्यूअस टेंस में? मैंने पहले ही बोला कि कंटीन्यूअस टेंस में हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करते हैं इज और एम और आर. तो अफर्मेटिव आपको पता ही है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस. तो इधर आपको डाउट आएगा, अरे यार इधर आप लोगों ने बोला था कि प्रेजेंट टेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स नहीं यूज करेंगे. That's what the thing is. Now again I'm repeating the same thing. In present indefinite tense वो भी affirmative form में ही helping verb use नहीं होंगे. It's present continuous tense now. Now leave about present indefinite tense. आपके ब्रेन में से मत निकालो यार, ब्रेन में रखो उसको, but leave that. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस हो गया, और प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स नहीं यूज होंगे, और पास्ट में भी द सेम. Now present, we are talking about present affirmative tense के बारे में बातचीत हो रही है. Now affirmative, see, subject plus is or am or are plus main form of verb plus ing plus object. Why ing again? As we taught that for indefinite tense that would be first form of verb. For continuous tense there would be first form of verb plus ing form. Remember no verb forms, तो वो ही add करना है. Subject plus helping verb plus verb form and plus what? Example, I am coming. I is what? The subject, right? Am is the, am is what? Here you can see is or am में am तो है, so am is the helping verb. Coming क्या हो गई? Come is the main form of word, और ing add करने पर ये हो गई continuous tense का verb. Coming object, object नहीं है. So I am coming. It's a present continuous tense. एक मिनट. Next is she is preparing for examination. She is the subject. She is क्या हो गई? Subject. Is the helping verb. Preparing, prepare यानी कि ये हो जाएगा मेन फॉर्म ऑफ ing ऐड कर. Preparing for examination, पर क्या हो गई? For examination हो गया हमारी object. Next, you are thinking about this. You क्या हो गया? Just a second. Here there are some network issues. Just a second. You are thinking about this. Here you is what? You is the subject, plural subject. Are is the plural form of helping. Thinking, thinking is the main form of verb plus ing. About us is the got it. So this is what the present continuous tense is. Remember the helping verb and even the verb form. That's it. और एक formula को भी एक बार लिख लो. So this is affirmative under present continuous tense. Now talking about the negativity. Negativity, if we talk about negativity, subject plus is or am or are plus not plus main form of verb plus ing plus object. दिमाग खराब हो गया इसको सुनकर. Subject is the first thing. Helping verb is the second thing. Third is the not. That is not in the sense what negativity. Not in the sense what negativity. Main form of verb plus ing. This is the fourth thing you need to remember. Fifth is the object. Remember this. Subject plus is or am or are plus not plus main form of verb plus ing plus object. Here, not you should add one thing. Not इस case में not add करनी है क्योंकि we are talking about negative. Negative in the sense only not नहीं. Your brother is not calling you. Your brother, your क्या हो गई? Your brother हो गई हमारी subject. Is क्या हो गई हमारी helping verb. Not क्या हो गई हमारी negativity. Calling you is the main form of verb plus ing. You is the subject. I am not coming with you. I is the subject. Am is the helping verb. Not is the negativity. Coming is the main form of verb plus ing. With you is the object. He is not getting me. He is the subject. Is the helping verb. Not is the negativity. Getting me. Getting हो क्या हो गया हमारी main form of verb plus ing plus object plus me. Got it? It is clear. No, now it is so clear. Now interrogative. Negativity में सिर्फ you need to add not. This you remember. And for interrogative, you need to first add helping verb. Then the same thing, not को remove कर दो. Not को आप याद मत करना. So in this helping verb, is or am or interrogative में is or am or are plus subject plus main form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples you see. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Are क्या हो गया हमारी helping verb. You is the subject. Talking to me. Talking is the main form of verb plus ing. To में क्या हो गया हमारी object. Is she going to her home? Is the helping verb. She is the subject. Going is the main form of verb. To her home. To her home. Going क्या हो गया हमारा main form of verb plus ing. To her home is the object. Are you calling you? Are you celebrating your birthday? Are is the helping verb. You is the subject. You is the subject. Celebrating is the main form of verb plus ing. You birthday is the object. Okay, interrogative. और double interrogative में सिर्फ WH family plus is or am or are plus subject plus main form of verb plus ing plus object. ठीक है? So this is what the thing is. Now for double interrogative also I have given examples. The last double interrogative thing, that is WH family यानी कि plus where are you going tonight? Where comes under the WH family. Are is the helping verb. You is the subject. Going is the main form of verb plus ing. Tonight is the object. Next, why is he not talking to me? Why is the WH family? Is the subject. Sorry, is the helping verb. He is what subject. Not क्या हो गया हमारी negativity. Actually, this is negativity sentence. Negative interrogative sentence that it's not there. I don't know what I'm saying. I am correct or not. But that negative interrogative sentence, I know if it is there or not there. But just remember, it comes as a negative interrogative sentence. Talking is the main form of verb plus ing. To me is the object. Okay, so it's clear no now. Now next, moving on to the next thing, it is present perfect tense. तो present indefinite tense हो गया, present continuous tense भी हो गया. अभी हम लोग आते हैं हमारी present perfect tense के, तो थोड़ा मस्ती हो जाए. तो yeah, and अभी इस पैंडेमिक में स्कूल ओपन करना मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. अरे यार क्या बकवास रखी हो. अरे हर बार स्कूल 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 बोलती हो. स्कूल तुझे इतना पसंद नहीं है तो मत जा. ऐसे ही सोचते हो ना आप लोग. अरे यार ये स्कूल्स ना देखो इतना परेशान करके बैठते हैं कि in this corona time if it necessary in schools in one bench they'll make 3 members to sit together. अगर एक व्यक्ति को भी कोरोना है ना मर जाऊंगी हम। अरे यार ये बात क्यों कर रहे हो? Okay, leave it. Schools are opening. See, 1 2 weeks they will open and again they'll close. I'm saying no, they'll open and then close. Now present perfect tense में helping verbs, if you see, helping verbs are, as I said, for present perfect tense we need to use has or have. See, now it is perfect. Now for perfect we need to use third form of verb form, and helping verbs are only most important. Okay, now has is the singular form of verb and have is the plural form. Now affirmative, we will talk about the first form, that is affirmative. Affirmative, the same thing, subject plus helping verb plus verb, third form of verb plus object. Subject is the first thing. Second thing is the helping verb. Third thing is the verb form, and fourth thing is the object. Okay. So subject plus has or have plus main form of verb plus object. Examples: I have eaten the food. I is the subject. Have is the helping verb. Yes or no? Have is what? Have is the helping verb. Yeah. Eaten is the third form of verb. Eaten क्या होगी? Past में हो गई. So eaten is the third form of verb. The food is the object. Next, we have met him or her. We is the plural form of subject. Have is the plural form of helping verb. Met is what? Remember that I is an exception here. Don't just repeat the question. That is, I is the plural form. So for I, we need to use have because have is plural. I is plural, so have is also plural. No, so plural के लिए plural को use करते हैं ना, plural subject के लिए plural form of subject के लिए अगर सिंगुलर है तो plural use करते हैं, और plural के लिए subject सिंगुलर use करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं यार, plural के लिए plural use करते हैं, subject के लिए subject ही use करते हैं. Remember this. Now, he has met you. He is the singular subject. Has is the singular helping verb. Met you is the third form of verb. You is the object. Okay. Now this is what the thing is. Affirmative subject plus has or have plus MV3 plus object. Now moving on to the negative. Negative, if you see, negative is subject, same thing. Same thing. Subject plus has or have plus not plus MV3 plus object. एक बात याद, सिर्फ एक बात, नेगेटिव में नॉट आएगी, इंट्रोगेटिव में हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले आएगा, नॉट रिमूव करता. ठीक है, तो अभी देखते हैं नेगेटिव. नेगेटिविटी में नेगेटिव में सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज और हैव प्लस नॉट प्लस MB3, दैट इज मेन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. तो इधर सब्जेक्ट, आई हैव नॉट सीन ताजमहल. I is the subject. I is the plural form, so have is also going to be the helping verb is also going to be the plural. I have. Not is the negativity. Seen is the third form of verb. Taj Mahal is the object. He has not reached home. He is what? He is the singular form of subject. Has is the single form of verb. Not is the negativity. Reached is the third form of verb. Home is the object. Okay. Now negativity is also done. Negative में हम लोग सिर्फ not add करनी है. That's it. So there's no more confusion. That's it. Okay. Now moving on to the interrogative. डबल इंट्रोगेटिव में भी मैं बताती हूँ अभी. So interrogative is has or have plus subject plus MB3 plus object. Remember in this, if you talk about just in this negative, there is only one thing. has और have आ गई हमारी इस बार, पर हम लोग as और have को इधर subject के आगे आने पर has और have plus subject plus MB3 plus object आने पर this would going to become interrogative. Has or have plus subject plus MB3 plus object. Remember this one. Okay, has or have plus subject plus third form of verb plus object. Example, you see, have you won the match? Have you won the match? Have क्या होगी हमारी helping verb, पहला helping verb. You is the subject. One क्या होगी third form of verb. The match क्या होगी हमारी object. Have you done the work? Have is the helping verb. You is the, क्यों हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लूरल ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि यू इज द प्लूरल फॉर्म. सो हैव यू डन द वर्क. हैव इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब, यू इज द सब्जेक्ट, डन इज द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, द वर्क इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो दिस इज इंट्रोगेटिव. इंट्रोगेटिव में सिर्फ एक चीज रिमेंबर करो कि हम लोगों का हेल्पिंग वर्ब आगे आने चाहिए। डबल इंटरोगेटिव में क्या होने वाला है मैं इधर देखती हूँ। पहले WH फैमिली आएगा, WH फैमिली आएगा, डोनाल्टी फैमिली की तरह WH फैमिली, यस। तो या WH फैमिली प्लस WH फैमिली प्लस helping verb has or have. So has or have. Then same thing. Subject plus main form, third form of verb, and then got it. So this is what the formula for double interrogative. In double interrogative, there is only one thing, that is you need to add WH family. Okay. WH family plus has or have helping verb, subject plus main third form of verb plus object. Remember this thing now. In this, what you're going to have? Why have you done this? Why have you done this? ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं. What have you done now? What have you done? What have you done to the doll? What have you done to the toy? ऐसे हम लोग डबल इंटरोगेटिव के लिए भी एग्जाम्पल्स हम लोग भी फ्रेम कर सकते हैं. Now talking about the present perfect continuous. Okay, now talking about this present perfect continuous. Now in this present perfect continuous, I'm going to talk about the helping verbs has been, have been. क्यों हम लोगों ने एक बार देख ली. Perfect के लिए we are using has or have helping verb. So for present perfect continuous, तो perfect है, see perfect है, पहला perfect है, दूसरा कंटिन्यूअस भी है. प्रेजेंट और कंटिन्यूअस दोनों ऐड करने पर हम लोगों को आ जाएगा हैज बीन. हैज क्या हो गया हमारी प्रेजेंट टेंस, हैज बीन क्या हो गया हमारी कंटिन्यूअस वन. रिमेंबर दिस, ओनली यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस. हैज हो गई हमारी परफेक्ट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस की हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज. तो हैज बीन क्या हो गया हमारी कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के लिए आ जाता है. सो हैज बीन और हैव. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इतना इंपॉर्टेंट भी नहीं है, इतना इंपॉर्टेंट हमारे एग्जाम में होगी. तो देखो हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज बीन, हैज बीन और हैव बीन. सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट अफर्मेटिव. सो सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट subject helping verb plus been is going to add because continuous. Fourth one, main form of verb plus ing. This is completely fourth one. Object and plus since of verb plus time. दिमाग पूरा घूम 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 रही है ना आप लोगों को. देखो मैं बताती हूँ, इतनी कोशिश इतनी भी इतना डरावना तो नहीं है क्वेश्चन. तो क्या बता रहे हैं लोग, हेल्पिंग वर्ब has been और have been है. तो पहले सब्जेक्ट तो आता ही है, देन कम्स द हेल्पिंग वर्ब has और have been. has और have been प्लस बीन क्यों आ जाएगा हमारी कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को, लिए बीन ही यूज करते हैं. एंड देन फॉर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस व्हाट इज द वर्ब फॉर्म, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस सिंस और वर्ब प्लस टाइम. ठीक है, सिंस हम लोग यूज करते हैं टाइमिंग के लिए, फॉर हम लोग यूज करते हैं हमारी लाइक क्या है. नाउ एग्जांपल यू सी, I have been waiting for you since morning. I have been waiting for you since morning. Here, I is the subject, have is the helping verb, been is the continuous tense का helping verb, waiting is the main form of verb plus ing. For you हो गया हमारी object, since from morning. Okay, like that. There are also some examples. She has been trying for 2 days. You have been living in Delhi since 9. Okay, so this is not that much confusing also, it is so easy. Now the last page, that is negative or interrogative के बीच में. Okay, so this is the last slide which we are going to talk about. ठीक है, total 19 slides है. 19 slides से हम लोगों ने पूरा 10 slides हम लोगों ने आज की सेशन में कंप्लीट कर दी. दूसरे slides हम लोग नेक्स्ट 2 सेशंस में हम लोग कंप्लीट कर. Now negative. नेगेटिविटी में क्या होने वाली है, सब्जेक्ट पहला आएगा, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स ऑफ परफेक्ट, देन नॉट आएगी. पहले परफेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आ जाने के बाद पहले नॉट आएगी नेगेटिव. बीन क्या हो जाएगी, बीन इज व्हाट, बीन इज द कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का हेल्पिंग वर्ब. First form of verb plus ing because the verb form of continuous tense, object is the sixth one, and seventh since of verb is the time. Okay, now example, your son has not been coming to school for 2 days. Your is the subject, son Has is the helping verb, not is the negativity, been is the continuous tense, the helping verb, coming is the verb form, to school is the object, for 2 days, for 2 days, that is the time. Okay, so like that. Priyanka has not been learning her lesson since evening. Priyanka is the subject, has is what? Has, yes, helping verb, not is the negativity, been is the continuous tense, the helping verb, learning is the verb form, her lesson is the object, since evening is the time. Okay, got it clear now? Interrogative देखो तो सिर्फ एक ही एक चीज रिमेम्बर करना, इंटरोगेटिव में हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले आएगी, तो इधर देखो हैज और हैव प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीन प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस सिंस. हैव यू बीन वर्किंग हियर सिंस 10 years? हैव क्या हो गए हमारी हेल्पिंग वर्ब, यू क्या हो गए हमारी सब्जेक्ट, बीन क्या हो गया हमारी कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का हेल्पिंग वर्ब, वर्किंग क्या हो गए हमारी वर्ब फॉर्म, हियर सिंस 10 years, सिंस 10 years हियर हो गया ऑब्जेक्ट, सिंस 10 years is the time. Okay, so this is all about the interrogatives. Got it? Now clear no? So this past indefinite tense को हम लोग next class में शुरू कर देंगे. अब तक के लिए गुड बाय टेक केयर. अरे यार अभी अभी कंप्लीट अभी गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर ये क्या हो गई बात. देखो, see, now my exams are going on, right? So just a second. Yeah. So my exams are going on now. So I'm not going out anywhere, and this pandemic is also increasing. So I'm not going anywhere. So I'll be making a vlog very soon, a very interesting vlog. But don't worry, पहले हम लोगों को education भी बहुत important है ना हमारे लाइफ में. एजुकेशन भी तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट टेंसेस. सो डिस्कशन अभी पूरा नहीं हुआ है. वी हैव जस्ट डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट की टाइप्स और उनके फॉर्म्स, वो ही डिस्कस है ना. तो हम लोग अगले सेशन में पूरा हम लोग फिर से एक बार सब कुछ इस प्रेजेंट टेंस सब कुछ के बारे में एक बार रिवीजन करके, एक 5 मिनट की रिवीजन करके पास्ट टेंस को जाएंगे. तो आपको यह पीडीएफ लास्ट सेशन में मैं दूंगी, क्योंकि पहले मुझे पूरा कंप्लीट कर, ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर आई हैव अपलोडेड द पीडीएफ इन द थर्ड सेशन, आई विल अपलोडिंग द पीडीएफ इन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड सेशन आल्सो. बट लेट द कॉन्सेप्ट बी डन. लेट्स आवर डिस्कशन भी चालू चालू करते हैं हमारी डिस्कशन, ठीक है. So that was all today. So I'll be meeting you all with another new video very soon. Till that time, goodbye and take care. Stay home, stay safe. अगर बाहर जाए तो भी फिर भी मास्क कर ही जाइए, क्योंकि बाहर सिचुएशन बहुत ही बेकार है. It's not at all good. The situation is not at all good. Okay, now I'll be meeting you all with another new video very soon. That I think that is going to be a very interesting vlog as I promised. And bye bye.